everybody, Terry Knight with Engineering TV. Today we're at the Crestron booth, and we're here with Jeff Singer, the Marketing Communications Director for the company. He's going to tell us about the touchpads they're developing here at Crestron.
Well, we're really excited about the TPS-6X. It's already won several awards. It's succeeding our most successful touch panel line. It's really the flagship touch panel in the industry. It actually is an engineering and design wonder in that we really were able to design a system to consolidate and streamline an entire line of touch panels. Previously we had 9 or 10 touch panels that can do what this one touch panel can do. And as you can see, it's really got a really sleek, sexy, modern design. What we can do with this is it's a wired and wireless touch panel. So when it sits on the dock, it's wired as Ethernet. Okay, so it's hardwired, and we can actually get full motion video in a scaled window, or I can just touch the screen and get full screen video. While it's docked and it's charging, it's also still functioning as a wireless touch panel. Even though it's hardwired, it's still communicating wirelessly with the gateway. It communicates via two-way RF. It's IEEE 802.14.5. It's bonded to the gateway to ensure extreme reliability, speed, and security. So you don't run into all the problems with Wi-Fi. So it's not going to interfere with any other RF devices. No other RF devices can interfere with it. So when I take it off the dock and it no longer functions as a wired touch panel, if you notice, no glitch at all. It didn't have to find the gateway or find the wireless communication because, as I said, it was already bonded and communicating wirelessly. The RF is extremely long range. We say you can get 250 feet out of it, but you can probably actually get more. And it's two-way, so in addition to being able to control all of your audio, video, lights, shades, thermostats, you can get real feedback from the room so that you know the exact position of the shade, you know the room temperature, you know the lighting levels, if they're at 90%, 50% off, and you get that real feedback. So again, Ethernet, RF, IR, lots of communications choices. When you dock it, there's also a latch. So I can just rest it on there so I can take it on and off very easily. There's also a latch, which I just did. Now it functions as a tilt case. And if for some reason you really wanted this or needed this to be a permanent touch panel, we actually have the option of a security key, which the installer can put in there so it can't come off the dock. And it does ship with the dock. It comes in white or black. It comes in this high gloss piano finish or a matte finish. It ships with this really nice backlit button bezel. It also ships with a no button bezel. So again, lots of options. It ships with all the options that you need. We can custom engrave the buttons. And this is really perfect for the home because it can sit on the dock or it can be mobile, so you can control everything in the house. And the one other thing that people might be interested in is its battery life. If we're going to be walking around with it, it's got a really long battery life, and it automatically will go to sleep if it's not in use. And so,
after how long?
Well, that can be it's preset at 10 seconds, but it can be modified and customized by the installer for anything you want. So right now it went to sleep. As soon as I pick it up and I touch a button or the touch panel, you can see it automatically comes right up and it's ready to work.
Is it a lithium-ion battery?
Yes.
And then what's the approximate lifespan of that?
Well, it can actually, depends on usage, but it can actually go all day. It'll go all day.
You chose the Active Matrix display for this product in a market that's mostly consumer. Why was that choice made?
Well, it enabled us to do full motion video on the touch panel, and again, in a scaled or full screen.
So Jeff, about your RF technology, do you use your own proprietary stack on that, or is it developed third party?
Yeah, no, we wrote our own stack and we run our own proprietary operating system. And we did that because we had some very specific needs and specific functions that we needed to achieve, and we couldn't find that in any other vendor.
Jeff, thank you so much for telling us about the TPS-6X wireless touchpad system from Crestron. Very impressive technology. Maybe I can get one for my home. What do you think?
Absolutely. Thank you very much.